Competent and professional managers deal differently in critical financial situations, and some managers are prepared to the management orders and listen to other staff in making their decisions. These managers believe in quantity to reduce employees instead of keeping quality employees. Be the managers people won't leave. When dealing with an unexpected downturn in business, employers will naturally be thinking about redundancies to cut costs. There are in fact many alternatives to making redundancies that are worth considering before you decide to lose valuable staff. Successful companies are always looking for ways to improve their productivity and efficiency to maximize their bottom line. Because difficult situation will be over soon, but once an experienced employee quit, employers might not get him back. Some bosses are so inexperienced and became managers even after a few years of their graduation based on their references. So we can expect poor decision making from them. But great managers can deal professionally with difficult situations to avoid redundancies, like freeze external recruitment, a reduction in pay like 10% on basic pay. Good employees can be retained or redeployed. It is a simple way to cut costs. Allowing a career break or sabbatical may also be a good alternative to redundancy. Think about secondments, temporarily assigning an employee to another sister concerned companies. Reviewing your employee benefits and make saving by removing those generating huge costs. Short-term working is when you cut their hours and reduce their wages accordingly. Let us change lives and think differently. God bless.